milliliters. And 4 liters of distilled water. The hydrogen is cleaning the combustion chamber right now behind you because the hydrogen salt. So the whole time that you guys been sitting there, the hydrogen's been doing all the work for us. No tone was lost. The whole time we were struggling, the truck was getting extra hydrogen cleaning. Because as soon as I pump this chemical in there, I'm turning the truck off and I'm waiting 15 minutes. So this, as soon as we do the hard part, everything else is just all the steps, which is what you're seeing now. If you want my water in there, 1 gallon is, it'll get me there. So just in case, the marker is right there. Release air with spark. Even if it's loud, you still hear. Once you hear that, so you heard that. It's as simple as this right here. Look. Process. This is step 2. We're attacking the ash. We're going to wait 15 minutes. After we wait 15 minutes, we restart this process doing 200 milliliters of cleanse, which is for the soot. This glass is for the ash. The cleanse is for the soot. So as you can see, the liquid is getting all into the 2 box. So we're working on a 2 box 2013. Cummins, and right now we're cleaning the POC, the DPF, and the SER, and everything else will come out of the tailpipe. So there's no liquids underneath, meaning we don't have no leaks in our 1 box or 2 box, meaning that our gaskets are good. Because normally when it's bad, it'll leak to wherever the gasket is torn. So we're still pumping the solution. We could give it an extra boost if you want, because after this we just wait 15 minutes.
Shut the truck off after you put this in?
After I'm done with this, I turn my hydrogen off, and then I turn my truck off. So we always turn the hydrogen off first, and then we turn the truck off. The reason we didn't go back there because that's an out. This is it. We would have never cleaned the whole system. That's why. Every truck is different.
You want to do it?
You'll start rocking, the hose will start shaking. Once you get to the end of it, once you start shaking, we're at the end of our chemical. And then what I do is I go right here. You see how it attacks it on the spot? So that's just proof all the skeptics, I didn't have to wipe it down. You see that? And it breaks it down. So I just like to show everybody with their eyes, and then I grab my napkin, and then this is just wet, I'll just leave it off. Courtesy for your customer. And you get to collect. And they're happy. That's the thing. Because you did what no one else can. The DOC, the DPF, the SCR, and the EPR, the pistons, the valves, the cylinders, the rings, attaching all the dry cargo with the hydrogen. I'm coming here, I turn my hydrogen off, and then I turn my truck off. That's it, guys.